Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Somo la leo. How to check the efficiency of your vehicle's safety belt. How to check the efficiency of your vehicle's safety belt. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is mandevu.com. So today we're going to talk about the importance of buckling up your safety belt while in a vehicle, and also how to check the efficiency of the safety belt. So please, before I continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So as a driver, you should always fasten your seat belt every time you are driving. So every time you are driving, make sure that your seat belt is buckled up. Seat belts save lives. Seat belts do save lives, and also it is required by the law to fasten your seat belt, you as a driver, every time you are driving. So how do you check the efficiency of your safety belt? How do you check the efficiency of your safety belt? Now, hold the safety belt with one hand from the top, and then suddenly try to pull it. Suddenly try to pull it as fast as possible and see what it will do. Okay, let's do that. If it behaves like that, it shows that the safety belt is very safe to use, and it can actually help you or save you in case of a car crash or an accident. But if it behaves opposite, it means that the safety belt is not safe to use. It cannot help you or save you in case of a road crash or a car crash or an accident. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba.